finish our notes, and then you will do work on algebra tiles. And then we fought over dignity. It's a line from a song. Whatever. Sketch the algebra tiles for each polynomial. Now, wait a moment. What polynomial
You guys are going to do that again? You guys are going to do something.
I have been using this word polynomial throughout this first unit. This first lesson in this third unit. I need to tell you from where it comes. Polynomial. Poly is Greek for many. Nom is number. So polynomial means many numbers. Translated literally. There's a specific mathematical definition for it, of course, but we'll come to that later. We will talk about what makes something a polynomial in a moment. But the first thing I would like for you all to do is to sketch the algebra tiles that will make up polynomials. So remember, algebra tiles exist in 3 incarnations. An algebra tile can be a single, a bar, or a big block. And they can be shaded or not. So we talked about this yesterday. You did no work on it, so we'll see if people's memory works. What did you draw? Here, go. It's somewhere in this room. Right now you're very cold. Getting warmer. You're warmer. No, warm. No. Okay, so what did you draw here? 3 shaded little guys. Now you guys, you're honors kids, I was nice to you. You can do the little shortcut. 3 little guys, just tell me the number of them. What did you draw here? Jack.
I did 1 bar, and 1
yep.
2, and 1 not poured in bar, and then 3 little cubes.
You can say white. They're not cubes. Jack did 2 white bars and 3 little white squares. They're not cubes. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about C? What'd you draw for C? Sam?
You draw 2 boxes.
2 big ones. They're not boxes. Squares. Do I color them?
No.
No. Good man. Then what?
Then you draw
1 shaded in bar.
And
then 2 little guys. White. Or for Jack's concerns, we'll say unshaded. Yes, Jack, way to be sensitive.
I got the next one.
Okay, Jack, what'd you draw for D?
I did 3 shaded in boxes.
They're not boxes.
They're squares.
This is a box.
Larger squares.
That's a cube.
I did 3 large squares.
3 big uns,
Yeah. 2 white.
2 bars, unshaded,
And a 5 yellow black.
5 little shaded ones.
It's not black, it's blue.
Is everybody good?
Yeah, boy.
We are going to stop using these things in like 2 days, but I do need to make sure they're covered. A niche. No, that is automatically an exponent because remember yesterday we decided that the bar was x, right? And then the bar times the bar makes the big square.
Yeah.
You can't do algebra tiles with a cube because of 3 dimensions. Okay? That's why they're limited. That's why I spend only 2 days with them. Because they have 2 jobs, which I'm going to cover in 2 days with you guys. Well, it depends. We'll see how long today takes. Yeah.
You only have like
Whatever. You're in high school. All right.
I daily show that.
Now, which of these guys can be represented by the same tiles? Those are quite obviously 3 different expressions, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're in a different order, they're in different variables. But, technically, 2 of them are the same. Which 2? Go! This guy has what? 2 big guys. This guy has 7 bars and 4 little colored ones. This guy has 4 little guys, 2 big guys, and 7 shaded bars. This guy has 7 unshaded bars, 4 little shades, and 2 big guys. So which 2 are the same? A and C are the exact same what? Are they the same polynomial or are they the same type of polynomial? Which is it? Type. What makes them not the same? The order? Is it the order that makes them not the same? Yes or no? Is it the order that makes them not the same? No, it's not the order because 3 plus 4 is the same as 4 plus 3. So it's not order. So what is it? There's no equation. There's no equal sign. The variable is what makes them different. Okay? These are the same type, but different variables. Means different polynomials. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Right? Because in this one, if it were an equation, we would be trying to find x, correct?
Yeah.
And if we were trying to find this one, it would be s. S and x are not the same. Cool?
Yes.
All right. Let's move on. Moving on up to the east side. So, have a look at the 3 things I have drawn there for you. What do you notice about all 3 of these things? Look at the picture and see if you can come up with a statement that encompasses all 3 of those things while I go pee. These 3 boxes share something in common. Just the top 3?
What's the answer?
Yeah, they're all even.
They have right?
No, we're looking at the top.
Yeah, like I mean they have only just own, but like yeah. I don't know how to explain by English, so
It's okay, it's try.
I mean like all of this has one.
Yeah.
This thing has like three.
Ooh, so it's only one number. That I got it. Got it. It's saying the same about that. These have three.
That was fast.
Three.
It's only P. Okay. No, you don't have to clap. This isn't elementary school. It's just to get your attention. All right. Who would like to volunteer the statement that you and your partner or your triptych or whatever came up with? What would you say is shared in common by these three boxes? Carla. Except there's 4 there. Okay, I understand what you're saying. Not quite. Let's compare this one to this. What differs between the two things that I've actually highlighted in green? Sam?
Those are 2x and those are 2x.
Okay. Let's change that then. Now, what differs between what is highlighted in green? I'm going to give you guys till the end of tomorrow to try and get through a class without pissing me off before I separate you. Okay? That doesn't mean you can't talk to each other. Doesn't mean that at all. But it means it better be businesslike. Okay? Because there's a certain correlation between how many times I have to look over there and see you two not doing math and your performance on assessments in this class. Do you follow me? Okay. So I'll ask again. What is different between the two things highlighted in green? There are 30 brains in here. Somebody should be able to see a difference. Sam?
That one only 2 squares and the other one is more than 2 squares.
What do you mean? I see there's 2 big boxes right there.
Well, that polynomial.
This polynomial, yeah,
is different from that.
then this one. Why?
Because that one's only 2x squared.
There you go. This one has how many types of blocks? 1 type. What about this one? 1 type. What about this one? 1 type. So these guys all have 1 kind of tile. Okay? Which means they have 1 term. Which means they are what is called a monomial. Because mono means 1, like a monocle.
Oh, the circle thing.
Right? I tried to get my mom to get me a monocle in the 9th grade because I only had one bad eye and she wouldn't do it. It's like, you'll look like an idiot. Monomial. Monotheistic. You believe in one God. Okay? Mono versus stereo for speakers. Mono is one speaker. Everything comes out of one speaker. Monoxide. One oxygen. Everybody good? Okay. So, next thing. So I've kind of given it away. What do you notice about the middle three? There's two kinds, two kids, two kinds, I just wrote kids again. Two kinds of tile, which means there must be how many terms? Two terms. Please leave the blank space down here. So what do you think we call a two-termer? Jack? Good guess. Not quite. Taylor? Dinomial. Good guess. Not quite. Your carrot? Binomial. Like a bicycle. Or binoculars. Or biennial. Every 2 years. Okay, what do you notice about the third one? Three kinds, three terms, trinomial. Somebody said bisexual. Somebody always
I
does.
said that. I thought that.
Most grade 9 classes can't handle it, and I just proved that this is yet another one that can't handle it.
Can't handle what?
The words like bisexual.
I was Samsung washing machine, so always exploding.
Okay. Now, the next thing we have to talk about is this word here, terms. Okay? Terms are anything connected by multiplication. By multiplying. Okay? So, this gets a little confusing. All right? Everybody ready? S. Is it a term? Yes, because it's one single thing. Okay? Everybody good? Okay. 4S. What's the term? 4S. Because it's connected by multiplying. So that is a monomial. Everybody cool? Yep. Okay. 4ST. How many terms? Which is it? One. Why?
Because T, it's like, in this case, it'd be like an exponent.
You're going one step too far, because they're all multiplying. Okay? 4STUVWXYZ. Mono, bi, or trinomial, or polynomial. Monomial, because it's all multiplying. Got it? Everybody's got it? Okay. Plus 2A. Mono, bi, or trinomial? Binomial. Because there's that term all connected by multiplying, adding to that. Cool? Plus 3B. Trinomial. Everybody got it? Soon as you see a plus or a minus, I should have made this one minus 3B, you have a new term. Okay? Mono, bi, trinomial, and then it stops. Everything after a trinomial is just a polynomial. Anish. I'll just get to that in a moment. I specified multiplying, didn't I?
Yes.
So what then is 6 over W? Is that a polynomial?
No.
Guess what your first homework question is?
We get a gummy bear for it?
Maybe. Stop! That's your first homework question. You have to tell me if that is a polynomial. Everybody good?
Yes.
That's your first real homework question. The work you're going to do now, however, is
Not home.
this page.
Oh.
Go!